In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Breakcore in BandLab. Breakcore is fast, raw, and built on chopped breakbeats, so we'll focus on setting up the project, grabbing the right drums, slicing them creatively, adding a heavy bass, and sprinkling in those gritty, rave-ready sounds that define the genre. Start by creating a new project and opening the mix editor. Set your time signature to 4/4, then choose a tempo between 170 and 220 beats per minute. Most breakcore sits around 180 to 200, so 190 BPM is a great place to start. Keeping the grid visible will help with precision, but don't be afraid to toggle snapping on and off when you need tighter micro edits. Next, get your drums. Breakcore comes from breakbeats, not standard drum kits. Head to BandLab Sounds and search for classics like Amen Break and Think Break, or general terms like breakbeat, jungle break, and drum break. Audition a few, then drag your favorite into the project as an audio track, not MIDI. Audio gives you direct control to slice and rearrange, which is the heart of the sound. Now chop the break. Click the audio clip, zoom in closely, and use split, the S key, to cut around key drum hits, kicks, snares, and those softer ghost notes in between. Rearrange the pieces so it feels wild but still musical. Try repeating snares, reversing a hit for tension, and creating stuttered kicks by slicing a tiny fragment and repeating it quickly. Breakcore sounds chaotic, but it should still groove. If you hear clicks, add short fades on your edits. For more punch, layer a second break quietly underneath and offset it slightly. Time for bass. Add an instrument track with an 808 bass, a Reese bass, or a simple sub bass. Follow the kick pattern with short, solid notes. Keep the part simple. The breakbeat does most of the talking. Add a bit of distortion or saturation for grit, then use a low-pass filter, usually between 80 and 120 Hz, to keep it focused and powerful. Adjust your bass level so it supports the drums without muddying them. Finally, add breakcore-style sounds for flavor. Search for rave stab, hardcore synth, gabber, noise, glitch FX, or vocal chop. Drop these into short accents, pitch them up or down, reverse them, and pan them for movement. Use them sparingly but aggressively so they cut through without overcrowding the mix. That's the core workflow. Set the tempo, pick a strong break, chop it creatively, anchor it with a punchy bass, and spice it up with bold, noisy textures. Experiment, trust your ears, and have fun pushing the chaos into rhythm.